Caramel apples are one of fall's biggest delights. They're super fun to personalize and also easy to make. Let the fun begin. The ingredients are simple. All you need is brown sugar, butter, light corn syrup, heavy whipping cream, apple sticks, and of course your apples. And you'll also need a silicone baking mat and a candy thermometer. First, you'll need to wash and dry your apples completely. Remove the stem. Take one of your apple sticks and place it in the center, like so. Line a large baking tray with the silicone mat. If you don't have one, you can simply use butter, but you do not want to use parchment paper because the caramel will stick to it. All right, it is time to bring on the good stuff. We are getting ready to make a homemade caramel sauce. In a saucepan, combine heavy cream, corn syrup, brown sugar, butter, and your salt, and stir over medium heat. It's important you don't turn the temperature up or down. You want to keep it at medium heat the entire time while the caramel is cooking. Stir until the butter is completely melted. All right, our butter is melted. I'm going to take a pastry brush dipped in water and wipe down the sides of my pan. And then I'm going to add my candy thermometer and make sure the bulb does not touch the bottom. Now we let the caramel cook. Without stirring, let the mixture bubble until it reaches about 240 degrees, which will take about 15 to 20 minutes. Here's a tip. Rely on your thermometer, not the time, and watch carefully. When you have reached the temperature, remove from heat and stir in the vanilla. Remember, you don't want to stir it too much because it will cause air bubbles. Allow your caramel to cool for 10 to 15 minutes. If it's too thin, let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes longer. Our caramel is ready. Let the fun begin. Dip your apples into your pot. You may need to tilt your pan, but you also want to lift and swirl it around and make sure everything is nice and evenly coated. Then you're going to place it onto your silicone mat. Serve these immediately, or you can allow them to sit for about 45 to 60 minutes. Enjoy them as they are, or add your favorite toppings like nuts, sprinkles, or even a chocolate drizzle. Just have fun with it. Let me know what your favorite toppings are in the comments below, and I will see you next time on Fresh Dish Foodie.